Okay, I'm gonna try something new today. I'm gonna try. I haven't made this before, so I'm kind of interesting. I'm kind of interested in how it's gonna come out. It's gonna be apples and avocado. So I'm gonna take like what is this? Five apples, 5 avocados. Is it 5, 10 apples? So 5 avocados and 10 apples. I'm gonna make applesauce with avocado. So, yeah, let's see how that works. Actually, I know how to make it, but we'll see how it goes. This is the trusty little device here for the apples. Just put the apple in here or so. Actually, that could be one of those ASMR videos, right? Where they have sounds. There you go. It's a good idea. So here's what the finished product looks like. By the way, this is the so what do I call this? I call this avocado applesauce is what I call it. Got my Ninja, sponsored by Ninja, sponsored by avocado, sponsored by Apple. Yep, so if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button at the bottom, and please like it and please put on notifications if you like these type of videos, and leave comments, please.